ICC Sydney is Australia's premier convention, exhibition and entertainment precinct with a large convention centre component, large exhibition centre component and a large 8,000 seat theatre across on the one precinct, fully integrated. That is unique. We've got over 72 spaces within the building of various sizes, so we can accommodate the smallest event on the largest event. More importantly, we can accommodate multiple events concurrently.
All of the latest technologies and spatial designs and comfort factors are all built into this facility. You could have a concert running down in the far end in the theatre. You can have all three upper exhibition halls or four lower exhibition halls all running simultaneously, and the facility just never misses a beat. If we were fortunate enough to have a completely full house across all three facilities in the precinct, we could cater for 52,000 people, which is a hell of a lot of bodies.
Facilities management means not just the physical nature of operating a building. We're an event operator, so we have to manage and make sure that the clients and the people that are using it are fully integrated into that whole process of operating the building.
The FM was involved in the process right from the very start. We always had in mind operability, efficiency, maintainability, life cycle, all of the things that you would really want the opportunity to have as part of the design considerations. Major maintenance can all be done back of house. You don't really have to touch any front of house areas. Every aspect of the design has redundancy built into it. You can have one of the main chillers go down and the precinct will not miss a beat. I think the exciting aspects, if you like, of the technicalities of the building are the sheer scale. From the reuse of rainwater tanks from the massive roof spaces to flush all the toilets, to the dozen cooling towers with a design load of 25 megawatts. We have approximately 450 kilowatts of PV array on the roof. The whole precinct was designed with sustainability and the environment in mind.
All our marketing material is built around that, and we use that in any way we can to show people that we try and do our bit to have the minimum impact on the environment.
The wellness of occupants of the building, we have extensive CO2 modelling, so the air never gets stuffy. It's all centrally controlled via the BMS systems. All of our waste oil from the kitchens processed off-site and turned into biodiesel. We divert up to 90% at the moment of our waste away from landfill. The sheer scale, when you walk into the plant rooms, anyone who's technically minded or a building services engineer will just stand there and smile at the sheer scale of the place.
So I think when you put all of those things together, there's some really exciting facilities management systems and infrastructure that have been put into the design.
Every time I see people go into various parts of the facility for the first time, I get very emotional. When we had our first major test event for several thousand people at a gala dinner, the ballroom doors swung open with great ceremony and people walked in and they just stopped and they looked up and they went, wow. You can't ask for more, you really can't.
Right at this very moment, we've opened a building with in excess of 500 events already booked in it for the future, and that's going to keep growing and growing and growing as our reputation and as the building develops.
I love working here. I'm proud of the product that we've put together. I'm proud of the journey that we've been on. We've achieved great things. The facility is absolutely fantastic. At ICC Sydney, we raised the bar right from the very start, and we will just continue to do that every single day with every single thing that we do.
I'm immensely proud of it. Not only the building and the end result, but the people that I've met through the whole journey. You just have to look at it and a big smile on my face every time I walk around this building. And it's a once in a lifetime that everyone should have the chance to do, and I'm fortunate enough to have done that. I was actually welling up there. I don't know if you got it. I do get a bit excited.